Liv, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and we're welcoming Greg back. So today we're doing another battle video, and if you didn't see our first one, it was
Pasta. Today we're doing French fries.
Greg pretty much does this series on his Instagram that's like Friday, where he does a ton of fry recipes, and one week he was like, you should do one too. So anyway, now we have two sort of loaded, kind of similar fry recipes. And so those are battling today to see which one you guys prefer.
Mine is a sweet heat buffalo fries with ranch sauce.
And mine is, well, they're called Bang Bang fries. If you guys haven't seen, I've done like Bang Bang cauliflower, Bang Bang tofu, and so it's kind of like a fry version of that. We also wanted to let you guys know that we launched ebooks, and I don't think I've talked about it on my YouTube channel. We've definitely talked about it on our Instagram, but we each launched an ebook to celebrate Greg hitting 100K on Instagram. And so mine is a Sunday coffee ebook, so it's kind of like the coffee shop series, like treats and drink pairings. So it's like all vegan baked goods and some Starbucks copycat drinks and just like cafe inspired drinks.
Mine is all gourmet vegan sandwiches. It's exactly what you think. It's all sandwiches. We've got breakfast ones.
There's even a healthy one in there, a healthy sandwich. But most of them are like very Greg style, like gourmet kind of junk food. Sandwiches. But the ebooks are so amazing together. They're $13.99 each, but for a limited time you can get both of them for $20, so it's a good deal.
Yeah.
I'll link those below if you want to check those out, but that is everything we have to say for now, so let's get into the video.
We are battling it out today with two loaded French fry recipes that you're gonna love. Will you guys choose Liv's Bang Bang fries as champion, or will my sweet heat buffalo fries win you over? Let's find out.
We're starting off my Bang Bang fries recipe by hydrating our soy curls. Soy curls are such a good chicken substitute, and soaking them in a vegan chicken style broth is my favorite way to make them. While they soak for 10 minutes, make the Bang Bang sauce with vegan mayo, sweet chili sauce, and sriracha. This is the best sauce ever. Then add your soy curls to a pan with some red onion and fry until golden. Add some garlic soy sauce and sweet chili sauce and toss to coat. We use these store-bought fries cooked in the air fryer, which makes them so crispy. Top the fries with the soy curls mixture and drizzle on that Bang Bang sauce. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes for extra heat and enjoy.
I like to toss frozen fries with some seasoning, like garlic powder, paprika, and parsley, then air fry until crispy. I also used a vegan chicken broth for the soy curls. While they soak, make your sweet heat buffalo sauce with vegan butter, Frank's Red hot sauce, garlic powder, and maple syrup. Whisk it all together. Fry the soy curls until golden, then toss them with the sweet heat buffalo sauce until coated. Layer them on your fries and top with vegan ranch mayo. The recipe for this is linked below. Lastly, add some parsley and dig in.
So thank you guys so much for watching.
Don't forget to go vote.
Yes, don't forget to vote in the comments which one you're going to make first, because we know you're going to make both of them eventually. They're both so good. I don't even know whose I would vote for, actually, because when we were eating them both that day,
I know, they're both so
I just kept going back and forth because I couldn't choose one that I liked. Make sure you check out our ebooks. They're linked below. Don't forget to follow us both on Instagram. I'm at It's Liv B.
I'm Greg's Vegan Gourmet.
And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!